Once upon a time, in the enchanted land of Sparkle Valley, there lived a young unicorn named Luna. Luna was not just any ordinary unicorn. She had a special gift of spreading joy and happiness wherever she went with her magical glowing horn. One sunny morning, Luna woke up to find that all the colors in Sparkle Valley had faded away. The flowers were wilting, the rainbow had lost its shine, and even her friends, the fairies and woodland creatures, looked sad and gloomy. Determined to bring back the magic to Sparkle Valley, Luna decided to embark on a magical adventure. With a sparkle in her eye and a skip in her step, Luna set off on a journey to find the source of the disappearing colors. As Luna trotted through the enchanted forest and crossed crystal clear streams, she encountered challenges and obstacles along the way. But with her bravery, kindness, and unwavering determination, Luna overcame each hurdle, spreading joy and happiness wherever she went. There she discovered a mischievous cloud dragon who had been stealing the colors to create his own rainbow. Using her magical glowing horn, Luna confronted the cloud dragon and showed him that Sparkle Valley had enough color and beauty for everyone to share. Touched by Luna's kindness and bravery, the cloud dragon returned the stolen colors, and Sparkle Valley was once again filled with vibrant hues and shimmering light. As a token of gratitude, the fairies and woodland creatures crowned Luna as the guardian of Sparkle Valley, entrusting her with the task of protecting the magic and beauty of their home forever. From that day on, Sparkle Valley shone brighter than ever, thanks to Luna's endless love and light.